Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ágústa Sif and I like to make videos on all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and like this video for more videos like this. In today's video, I'm gonna do a glamorous Christmas makeup look since Christmas is next week, right? Since we're all home this Christmas, or most of us, we're not really having any parties, I think it's necessary this year for us to be extra glamorous, to treat ourselves extra nicely because of the situation in the world. Because of COVID-19, we haven't really had the best mental state as a community of the world. So I think it's time for us to be very glamorous together. Without any further ado, let's start. I am using the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics for this makeup look, and I am starting by using the Morphe M441 Fluffy Blending Brush in the shade Cone. This shade is a warm tone beige, which is perfect for transition shade and a soft look if you have a light skin tone like I do. I use the same brush and dip it into the shade Virgin, which is the white color in the palette, and I use that to blend out Cone further up towards my brow. Now I'm using the Inglot 40 TG Duo Fiber brush dipped into Raspberry. This shade is stunning, but I find it a lot more dense in the pan than the other colors, so I find it a lot more difficult to work with and to blend. Just be really patient with it. It will come together in the end, but it does take a little bit of work. Use that shade to deepen the crease and outer V of the eye and make sure you keep it lower than your transition shade. Now we're going back to Cone on the Morphe M441 brush to make sure that the edges of Raspberry are nicely blended into the transition shade. Add a little bit more of Raspberry if you want. Now I'm using a very small blending brush. This is the Morphe M506, which is one of my favorites. And I am loading that up with the shade Tasty, which is a great brown color to have. It's kind of a warm medium brown shade that makes it a lot easier to combine some of the colors in this palette. I am focusing most of my blending into the outer corner and also into the crease, making sure that I'm not going above a Raspberry. I just want the crease and the outer V to be more dark. Switching over to a Real Techniques Defining Crease brush number 304. This one is from the Christmas 2020 collection and I am really happy with this one. I'm still using Tasty and blending the crease even further. I need to add some primer back on my lids since I covered a little part of my inner corner with the darker shades, and that has also made my base not sticky anymore. So I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden on a Real Techniques shading brush number 307. The fluffier brush makes the application more blurred and not like a cut crease style. Plus this way I am positive I will get the pigmentation and the hold I need for this look to last all day. The glitter I am using is from a Miss Gus pressed glitter palette that I got from Amazon a few years back. This one is like a rose gold color. It is absolutely stunning. I just use my finger to apply it and then I use the same Real Techniques shader brush that I used for my base to diffuse the edges. Still using the same brush, I dip into the shade Jawbreaker and apply that to my inner corners and brow bones as a highlight. I am again using the Real Techniques shading brush number 307, still using the same brush, and I dip it into Cone and shade my under eyes. Then I dip the same brush into Raspberry and match my shading to my upper lid. Then I use a gel liner to line my eyes. This time I don't want a winged liner, I really want the glitter and my lips to be the main focus of this makeup look. I do really enjoy Maybelline's Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner. It works wonders and is also really affordable for anybody. I use the same gel liner to tight line my eyes and also to do my lower waterline. To soften the black liner, I am mixing Tasty and Raspberry together on a Morphe M443 pencil brush and blending on top of the black gel liner. This method sets the liner and softens the look of it. I wanted a little more darkness at the outer corner, so I grabbed my Sigma E36 brush and I used Tasty and Raspberry to deepen my shading even further. Mascara of the day is L'Oreal's Telescopic Extra Black, and it is such a great mascara. I used to have it a few years back and I really liked it back then and it was really trendy, but I kind of forgot about it for some reason. Now I recently got it again as a gifted item and I have been absolutely loving it. My lashes for the day are Tanya Ir Cosmetics lashes in the style Indonesia. I'm not sure if it's Indonesia or Japan. I will check that out and leave it on the screen somewhere. And I will also link the haul where I show you all of my new Tanya Ir Cosmetics lashes. I'm not going to be very fussy with my lips today. I am just going to use MAC's Russian Red because it is absolutely gorgeous. It's probably my favorite Christmas shade so far. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I love this look. It's very festive. It's very warm. Red lip, you can't go wrong. Let me know in the comments down below what you want me to do next. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye!